If you think about a computer, there's the hardware, so the physical things you can touch. That's computer engineering. The other side is the software, the parts you can't touch that control and tell the machine what to do. That's computer science. With the Intelligence Systems Center, we do a lot of work in robotics, and computer science is really what brings the intelligence to that physical robot.
For my entire career, I've been driven by a desire to explore three-way partnerships between people, most recently it's been surgeons, technology, those are robots, sensors, vision systems, and information to change processes in the real world. This partnership can improve patient care by making it safer, less invasive, or something that you can't do at all. And because we have all this data, we can use that with machine learning to improve the processes, and you hope leads to better outcomes for future patients.
The field of computer science is going through a lot of disruption right now, and this is really tied back to generative AI. We're seeing generative AI being able to write code at levels that we never could even imagine 2-3 years ago. From a software developer's perspective, you now have this new, you might call it a tool, but it's really like a companion that can code with you. And that allows the software developer to think about more creative problems and more architectural level kind of challenges.
We've been working with APL and the School of Medicine, where the goal is to make every operating room situationally aware. In other words, the room itself can sense everything that's going on in the room, and then with AI techniques, it can begin to provide useful assistance. I often tell people the surgical robot in the future isn't the robot, it's going to be the room. And to do that requires system integration of the first order. It also requires understanding architectures and a lot of the things where APL has enormous expertise. The NAE serves very important functions for the United States and society around the world. I became an NAE member during the COVID crisis. We actually put together a workshop to discuss the role of robotics in future infectious disease crises.
We're on the cusp of a robotics revolution, and we're going to see robots everywhere in every different form. And what's really going to unlock that is artificial intelligence and being able to have smart robots. And underneath that is computer science and computer engineering, and it's really exciting to be working in this field right now.